get into our quadruped position. So we're on all fours, hands are underneath shoulders, knees are underneath hips. We're gonna get our one leg out to the side. This knee, if I was to draw a straight line, should be somewhere in the middle of my foot. Making sure that my hips stay nice and square, I'm gonna lift my leg up as high as I can and back down and control it to the ground. Lift it up and back down under control. It's a very challenging drill. As you can see, I don't get my foot very high up off the ground. A lot of times I'll see my athletes when they lift, the first time doing this, they're gonna come up and they're gonna do this. And so they're shifting their entire body to get that foot up off the ground. The objective of this drill is to keep the hips square across, and we're working the hip independently. So we're not shifting our hips to get that leg up. So once again, we're here, quadruped nice and flat through our back, leg is out to the side, bracing through that core, making sure my opposite hip doesn't move, and I'm lifting up and back down.